gentlemen, I'd like to open the floor to the media for any questions that you would like to ask to the head table. I'd like to open the floor to the media for any questions that you would like to ask to the head table.
Fiji International part of European Tour. Perhaps a very small bit.
I'd like to open the floor to the media for any questions that you would like to.
Now be part of the European Tour, and I think it is quite a phenomenal success for us. I'd like to thank Brian and of course his team for putting Fiji International out there and to be able to have us part of the European Tour. Ladies and gentlemen, I think many people in Fiji do not realize the significance of being on the European Tour, and many people do not necessarily realize that the Fiji International gives us a particular level of exposure that is unprecedented, and of course at the same time it gives us a reach into new areas of the market that we do not or weren't able to access previously in an intrusive manner, I would say, that the golf tournament does help us to do. As you can see from the video, I mean, Fiji always looks fantastic on picture, on the screen, and to be able to get that the picture translate into something tangible in terms of getting people into Fiji, to promote Fiji, is very, very critical for us. As Brian pointed out that, we've had this cyclone. What the cyclone did do was bring home the point that we are very, very vulnerable from a single climatic event. You can have one climatic event that can completely devastate our economy. We were very lucky that the cyclone Winston did not actually go through the Coral Coast down this part of Fiji in the manner in which it did in the northwest of Viti Levu and Lomai Viti and north parts of Lau. If it did, our ability to have the tag team, our ability to market ourselves would be very, very minimal. It would set us back, years, if not decades. If your highways were washed away, if your water systems all went away, it'd be quite devastating. So we are very lucky, and therefore it is very critical that we are able to broaden our base of the economy. And the way to do that is to be very clever. And the way to do that is, for example, to take on offers. When I remember still a few years ago, when Vasu and Brian and a few others came to our office to talk about Fiji International. And the reason why we did that, and we know that some people weren't necessarily, taken up by the proposal, but we saw the future. And the future is that we wanted to build and develop a segment in the tourism sector that was not built or was not in existence. So this European Tour participation, or our participation in European Tour, I should say, is a very, very good event for us. As Brian also said, that we now connect to Singapore. Fiji Airways now, ladies and gentlemen, flies to every single continent that rims the Pacific Ocean except South America. We fly to North America, we fly to North Asia, we fly to Southeast Asia now, and of course to Australia and New Zealand. And being part of the European Tour and also targeting the Asian market is very much part and parcel of our strategy. So we're very keen, of course, and we're very excited about this. The other issue that also has been raised is that the golf course, FMPF has also agreed to upgrade the golf course itself. In particular, I understand I'm not a professional golfing type of person, that I don't understand all the lingo, but I understand that some of the greens needed to be upgraded. They need to be put in various slants and slopes that makes it a lot more conducive to playing, and that the golf course should not only be known for its picturesque setting, but also the golf course needs to be in a manner in which people want to actually come back and play again. Because the whole idea is not just a tournament, but people actually enjoy the golf course and go back and tell other people and come and have a holiday and also play again at the golf course. Not just professionals, but other people too. So FNPF has agreed to make that level of investment. We understand that they're talking to Vijay Singh. We hope to have a contract signed very soon. And we also hope to have 3 or 4 of the holes done up before the next tournament starts. And it will be also done after the tournament itself. We'd like to acknowledge and of course thank the organizers and PGA for the generous donation of $100,000. It will go a long way. I'd also like to again highlight, and we use every occasion now, to highlight the fact about how we now have Adopt a School program. And if you go to the website www.adoptaschool.gov.fj, you'll be able to see the 229 schools that you can actually adopt, in which you'll find the location of the school quite specifically on the map. You'll actually get the engineer's certificate, engineer's report, I should say, that is very, very detailed, photographs, sketches, the costs of expenditure that's needed to bring the schools back up to a manageable level in intermediate costs and long-term costs. Everything is there. And you simply can adopt a school. If you cannot afford to adopt a school, you can actually adopt a building in the school. And this has received a lot of prominence, and a lot of people are keen, and I also like to flag this with the PGA, that perhaps that's something they can take up, because I think we need to build long-term relationships.
Absolutely.
And it has all those sort of nuts and bolts. We'll also be able to give you an update when the construction starts as to how the progress is going. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's also very, very exciting news for us. Those videos are very, very, exciting in the sense, or in terms from the promotion perspective. We look forward, obviously, to a very good field of players coming, and I think the fact that we have it on the European Tour now will, maybe not this year, but obviously in the years to come, it will give us more trajectory in that area. So thank you once again, and we look forward to working with you. Of course, the Minister of Tourism is here with his team, and they're working in close collaboration with PGA Australia, and we are obviously looking to bigger and better things to come as far as the tournament is concerned. Thank you.